Hello, how are you? Family of Telemathematics. Welcome to a new video of our channel. So let's get started. We will begin the video by mentioning that the place value of each number depends on the position of each digit within the number. Now, what should you know about reading and writing 6-digit numbers? They can be broken down into hundreds of thousands, tens of thousands, thousands, hundreds, tens, and units respectively. Taking these elements into account, the question would be, how do you break down 6-digit numbers? To do this, we will use the number 923,685. Starting from left to right from the place occupied by each digit, we can write it as the number 9 as 9 hundredths of thousands, the number 2 as 2 tenths of thousands, the number 3 as 3 units of thousands, the number 6 as 6 hundredths, the number 8 as 8 tenths, and the number 5 as 5 units. This operation corresponds to the decomposition of the number 923,685 according to its place value. Now, this operation is equal to 900,000, which corresponds to the 9 hundredths of thousands, plus 20,000, which corresponds to the 2 tenths of thousands, plus 3,000, which corresponds to the 3 units of thousands, plus 600, which corresponds to 6 hundredths, plus 80, which corresponds to 8 tenths, plus 5, which corresponds to 5 units, and whose operation corresponds to the decomposition of the number 923,685 by units. Very good. On the other hand, understanding number decomposition, either by place value or by units, will make it easier for you to understand how to perform composition. To do this, we will use an example where, based on place value, we have the following values, where 7 hundredths of thousands correspond to the value, 700,000, 9 tenths of thousands correspond to the value, 90,000, 5 units of thousands correspond to the value, 5,000, 8 hundredths correspond to the value 800, 6 tenths correspond to the value 60, and 4 units correspond to the value 4. Then, adding these 6 values, we get the number 795,864. Now, starting with the units, we have the following values, where adding them together gives us the number 531,427. Very well, let me know in the comments how easy it was for you. But if you have any questions, please review the material again or let us know so we can help you.
If you liked the video, I encourage you to give it a like, to subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and to activate notifications so you can see the new topics that we will be releasing, to leave us your comments, and to share it with your friends. Until the next video,